Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I'm Zach Whiting, a policy director at the Texas Public Policy Foundation, and thank you guys for the opportunity to testify for this bill. A lot of things have been said between this morning and some of my folks that have testified already. Just want to emphasize a few points. So, importantly, the creation of the Strategic Bitcoin Reserve is not a new concept for Texas policymakers. Back in 2021, y'all passed HB 1576, which established the Texas Work Group on Blockchain Matters, which I've testified before. One of the policy recommendations in that final report was creating a Strategic Bitcoin Reserve. So that's carrying on sort of the continuity of the work that group did. Second, I would emphasize that an article I read in early February mentioned that there are only 16 states that had introduced legislation on this, and that number has since doubled to 32, indicating that, kind of as Lee mentioned before, that the concept is not the issue. It's the sort of the calendar piece, and so that the Lieutenant Governor prioritized this bill, that y'all are working at this at your second hearing, that it's the second bill y'all are bringing up at your second hearing, I think is good. I think it's good public policy. In terms of the safeguards, I think that many of those things were addressed by the comptroller earlier, that there are a lot of good safeguards built into the bill, but through rulemaking and the discretion on what to invest and how, or if any, as we contemplated, I think some of those safeguards are there. So in total, I think it's a good bill. I think it's another great example of Texas being a forward-leaning, pro-technology, pro-innovation state. I think this is good public policy. I think it's good for our future, hedging against all those volatilities and concerns. And the foundation is very grateful that you brought it forward, Mr. Chairman, and we're very happy to support it. Thank you.